What we know as chocolate comes from these little seeds that are inside what are called cacao pods, and they grow on trees. So this is a cacao pod, and there's seeds or beans inside of the pod. This one's dried up and desiccated, so it sounds like a maraca. So today we will be trying Castronovo Chocolate. This is the Hurricane Relief Bar, and the chocolate is from Hacienda JeanMarie Chocolat in Puerto Rico. This is 70% cacao. So Castronovo has a really special place in my heart, not only because it was the first place that I came to realize that fine chocolate was a thing, that it's right down the street from where I was born. It's in my hometown of Stuart, Florida, and every time I go home to visit my family, I try to swing by and grab a few new bars. It's where I realized that chocolate was more than Halloween candy and Easter and Valentine's Day and impulse buys in the checkout line. Chocolate could have depth and flavor much like wine. So part of the proceeds of this bar go directly back to the farm where the cocoa comes from to help them rebuild after the hurricane. The packaging is really beautiful. It's very, very elegant. And it's got nice gold foil inlay on it that shines. So we're gonna open this up and give it a try. So again, here's the packaging with the story on the back. And then the bar itself comes in this really beautiful sealed gold. So we're gonna break it open. So the bar has a really lovely kind of cross pattern, like cross strokes. Very nice, very pretty. Just very simple and elegant, but not too simple. So I'm gonna snap off a piece to try. I've got my little square. It smells good. I'm definitely picking up a lot of vanilla. Almost smells like a spiced rum. Nutty. I'll give this a try now. Getting a little bit of bitter fruit first. It's very, very smooth. I'm getting cherry, dried fruit like dates or raisins. It melts beautifully. Not bitter at all. It's really, really nice. Very warm. Had a bit of a nutmeggy flavor to it, and the remaining taste in my mouth now that I've finished swallowing it, it doesn't linger too much, but definitely that vanilla hangs around for a little bit. Overall, I love this chocolate. I love anything Castronovo does. I highly recommend this one, although I think that because this one was a special batch specifically for the hurricane efforts, that they don't sell it anymore. So if you do have a bar, treasure it and enjoy it. I'm definitely going to treasure mine with the remainder of it. It'll probably be gone pretty quickly. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this, and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and heynowcacao.com. Thank you for watching.